Entry-exit point was the priority of the government, and the senior officials have already started working to kick-start the construction of the facilitation center. CM Conrad Sangma, after inspection the proposed site for setting up of entry and exit point in Umling of Riboy district, said. The inspection was accompanied by Home Minister, Transport Minister, Urban Minister and other senior officials visited on Saturday morning. CM also stated that senior officials have already started working and the proposed project expected to start off within a couple of months.
Yeah, but they have to do it according to the design the entire facilitation center, and here itself there will be the integrated checking points also will be in the same location. So therefore, we're very happy that this land was available, and as I said, most importantly, we have finalized it, and the entry point will be here. And I'm happy to inform everybody and all our, in fact, people from our state that the work for this particular entry point will start very soon. Of course, completion process might take a bit of to complete the entire facilitation center might take us some time because it involves many things. But the work will start in the next month or so, and the basic infrastructure required for the entry point that we'll be able to set up in a very short time. But as you know that the facilitation center on its own requires many things like the parking spaces required, like different departmental official sections will be there. So those might take a bit more time, and we will see as we go along. But most important is at least the entry point where the facilitation center itself will be there. That should not take too much of time. Hopefully we should be able to complete it in a very short period. But at least let the work start. Let's see how it progresses. The good part is that the decision has been made. The positive thing is that everybody is here. Everybody has been told to start the work immediately so that we can finish the work at the earliest.